Good day guys, Felix Lee here from my home office in Sydney, Australia. Today I want to do a training for you guys on how you could create your own YouTube thumbnails, YouTube image thumbnails. So what I'm talking about here is the first image that people see before they click onto your image. So you could see this is an example in one of my page. It is quite clear, short message that entice people or to attract people to click onto your video. So if you go to YouTube, you will probably seen a lot of this before you click on someone's video. You would have seen a lot of thumbnails, for people to see the preview of the image or the video before they click onto your video. So the tools that I use to edit my thumbnails is I simply use the video editors that I have, which in this case is Camtasia. Camtasia is a very useful tool that I personally use to do a screen recording and also to edit my videos. So in this case, I'll take you through to what I do with one of the video that I'm about to publish today. So say in this case, Camtasia also allows you to crop images. I've actually cropped these images into a size which I want for my thumbnails. So what you do is there is a crop button here. You can simply click on that scissor slide button. Okay, you can adjust it. You can just simply do that or whatever way you want to do it. I'll just do it that way. Once you finish with cutting or cropping, you just click it back again and that's it, done. And what you can do is you can add annotations. So you click on annotations, you can put in text. On putting in text into your thumbnails, you would want to think, you don't want to cram in too many text in there because remember, when people look at your images, right, it would appear either to be like a small image or when people search in YouTube search, it will come out quite small. So you would want something that stands out. You would want something that is not too crampy or not too squeezy, but something that is readable, something bigger in fonts. So in this case, I've actually done an examples of the fonts that I want. What I do is I simply placed it where I want it. Okay, so I just put it be the top recruiters by understanding others. Okay, what I do is you can choose which timeline you want to use it as your image if you want, but I've selected the one that I want and I simply reduce, in this case because I'm gonna do a print screen from Camtasia. Camtasia doesn't actually, from what I know, Camtasia doesn't allow you to produce an image, but it just simply produce a video. What I do, so instead of producing a 10 minutes long video, I reduce it down to like a 2-second video. So it wouldn't, the file itself is not too big. I'll show you guys what I talk about. Okay. So in this case, let me reduce it down to 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. I'll do an export as a file, MP4 files. In this case, YouTube cover. Okay. I'll do export. What I do is I do a screen capture for that particular thing. Okay, it is quite quick. So as you can see, I bring it up. In this case, it is a real, I think it's a real quick timer. What it's called, real quick player, quick time player. Okay, as it brings up, you can see that I've got my. Okay, I'm happy with that. So what I do is I'm using a Mac computer here, so I click on Command Shift 3. Okay, so what it did is actually it captured the screen image that I've done. If you're using a laptop computers or PC, you probably can press print screen, and then what it does is it actually gives me, if I go to my desktop. Okay, let me just quickly look up for the files that I want to do. Okay, into the desktop, the screenshot I've taken, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so this has become an image file or a JPEG file. Okay, I just need to rename that. Let me rename it. That's it. So what I simply do is, while I'm uploading this in YouTube, well, when you click on editing your video, it will have an option of choosing a custom thumbnail. Okay, so you simply click on that custom thumbnail, okay, and upload the video, upload the image that you have just created. Okay, it shows you that it is uploading. So here you go, guys. You can see that So here you go, guys. You can see that thumbnails is being uploaded. So this is the image that people are gonna see when they come across to my video before they decide to click on it. They will see, wow, okay, be top recruiters. Is that something that intrigues me or attracts my attention? So that is my short tutorials on how you can create a thumbnails by using Camtasia. And at the same time, I want to also give you guys a quick training that is useful, that I found useful to create a call to action for people to subscribe to your YouTube channels at the end of the video or at the beginning of the video inside YouTube itself. So in this case, this is a video that I've uploaded previously. You click on annotation in the video manager inside YouTube. So what you do is decide the timeline where you want to put your call to action button. Okay, let me just do this quickly. Okay, I'll add annotation. Click on add annotation, click on note. That will give you a button like that. Click here to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you can adjust the height, the width, and also the text size. Okay, click here. Okay, and I'm happy with that. You can also select the color that you want. If you want, something that stands out at the end of the video, you can select when that annotation to pop up, by what minutes, by what seconds. In this video, I'll probably do it, say, 10 minutes before the end of my video. And I click on link. So what it does is when it appears on someone's screen, it will have that things on there, it will have the annotations on there, and when people click on that annotation, that will bring them to, I can select either to another video, but in this case, I want them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Felix Lee 123. So you can click and preview links as well if you want. So what it does is it will bring up a screen to show people that this is the screen that this is the YouTube channels that I want them to subscribe, and it will pop up, like it will actually send a pop-up button, a YouTube pop-up button to tell people to subscribe to my YouTube channels, which I find is really useful if you're looking for people to be your subscriber, to build up your subscribers. So that's pretty much it for my video editing tutorials or for my YouTube editing tutorials. Thanks again, guys, for watching my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.